San Diego sport bikes. If you have a sport bike, the place to be in San Diego, at least once a month, there's a gathering in Kearny Mesa sponsored by Cycle Gear. They usually have free food, a merchandise raffle, and quite a few bikes to see. Most of them, as I said before, are sport bikes, but there's also a good mix of other varieties as well. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit our San Diego custom motorcycle site. You can get a free subscription there, and every time we put up a new post, you'll be automatically notified.